Hi all, welcome back to the Testing Mentor. Just a few years ago, if you could write Selenium scripts, solve some coding questions, and automate a login test, you could crack most SDET interviews. But today, candidates are walking into interviews with AI tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot, generating code in seconds. So interviewers have changed the game. The real question now is not can you write code? It is do you understand what you're building? In today's video, we'll talk about how AI has changed interviews and what you must do to stay ahead. Earlier, interviews focused heavily on execution. Write test scripts, write API automation, solve problems quickly. But AI has changed that. Today, anyone can generate code in seconds. But generating code is not the same as understanding it. Interviewers now focus on logic, trade offs, architecture, debugging thinking. They want to see can you explain why your solution works? A common misconception is AI will make interviews easier. Actually, AI has raised expectations because if AI can do basic work, you're expected to do advanced thinking. The baseline has moved upward. AI writes code quickly, but it also introduces bugs, inefficiencies, incorrect assumptions. So, interviewers now test debugging ability. Not just can you write code, but can you fix broken systems? System design interviews used to be reserved for developers, not anymore. Today, SDETs are expected to understand microservices, distributed systems, CI/CD pipelines, automation architecture. Why? Because automation is no longer scripts, it is infrastructure. Instead of theory, interviewers now ask, payments are failing intermittently. How do you debug? Or your CI pipeline fails randomly. What do you do? These questions test experience, judgment, decision making. Earlier, using external help was discouraged. Now, AI usage is expected. But there's a catch. Interviewers want to know, do you use AI responsibly? For example, do you validate AI generated code? Do you understand what it produces? Using AI blindly is dangerous. AI can generate test cases, automation scripts, but it cannot fully understand your business logic, your risk areas, your failure patterns. That's where human thinking matters. Designing what to test is more important than how to test. One skill AI cannot replace easily is communication. Interviewers now watch how you explain ideas, how you structure thoughts, how you defend decisions. Clear thinking equals clear communication. These are the skills that matter most now: system design, debugging, root cause analysis, risk based testing, observability thinking. These are AI resistant skills, and mastering them will keep you relevant. In the future, interviews will not test memorization, they will test understanding, judgment, design thinking. AI is not replacing engineers, it is replacing shallow skills. If you are preparing for SDET interviews today, don't compete with AI. Learn to work with it intelligently. That's how you stay ahead. And if you are looking for structured preparation or one on one mentorship, you can find my email ID in the pinned comment. See you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.